The M2780 and M2780H were introduced by Deutz-Fahr in the early 1980s as the largest models in a new range of combines. Deutz sold their first combines in 1968 after buying fellow German manufacturer Fahr to form Deutz-Fahr. Fahr already had their own successful combine range when the deal was struck, and the company's orange colour was used on Deutz-Fahr models for nearly 20 years, before eventually giving way to Deutz Green. The H on the M2780H stood for Hydromat, as it had hydrostatic drive. There were 3 ranges with a single lever to control forward and reverse motion and speeds. A standard mechanical transmission M2780 was also offered, and the top speed on both versions was 12.4 miles per hour. Inside the Commander cab, Deutz-Fahr's agrotronic system monitored and displayed combine functions. Audio and visual signals were used to indicate any problems. Headers with cutting widths of 10 to 16 foot could be fitted to the combine. The thrashing drum, 1.3 meters wide, had 8 beta bars. The M2780H was a 5-straw walker machine. Each walker had 5 steps and was almost 4.5 meters long. Power was from a 6-cylinder Deutz BF6L 913 diesel, which produced 160 horsepower. It was, of course, air-cooled.